Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn here important and confusing concepts in chemistry, that is a formality. If you are preparing for NEET, this is a topic you must understand clearly because it connects directly with solutions and concentration terms. So let's begin. So formality is represented by capital F. What is meant by formality? Formality means number of gram formula masses of a solute dissolved per liter of solution. Means it is a number of gram formula masses of a solute dissolved per liter of solution. Formality generally we used for ionic compounds. So what are the ionic compounds? Suppose we take here example of NaCl, and this NaCl dissolves in water. It dissociates into Na plus and Cl minus ion. Means where suppose we dissolve NaCl in water, it dissociates into Na plus and Cl minus. So technically there is no NaCl molecules present in this solution. Means in the solution only ions are present, Na plus and Cl minus. So technically this is not a molecule. So for such a type of molecule, for such a type of ionic compounds, we use this term. What is difference between formality and molarity? Molarity is based on actual molecules present in a solution. And what is a formality? Formality is based on formula units added regardless of dissociation. Means for non-electrolytes, formality is equal to molarity. For non-electrolytes, formality is equal to molarity. But for strong electrolyte means that dissociates like NaCl. So they may differ conceptually. For strong electrolytes, we use the term formality, and here formalities differ from molarity conceptually. So there is a conceptual difference between the formality and molarity is observed. What is the formula for formality? Formality represented by F is equal to number of gram formula masses of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Means it is a number of gram formula masses of a solute divided by volume of solution in liters. We see here another formula for formality in terms of mass. What is the formula? Formality is equal to W upon M into V. What is W? W means mass of a solute. Mass of a solute in grams. What is M? M means molar mass. That is gram formula mass. What is V? V means volume of solution in liter. Now we see what is the relation of formality with moles. Formality is equal to N by V. Formality is equal to N by V. What is N? N means number of gram formula units. It is same as mole added. And what is V? V means volume in liters. What is the shortcut formula? Shortcut formula is F is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass into volume. So this is the shortcut formula, mass of a solute divided by molar mass into volume. Now we understand this formula in practical way by solving different numericals. So we will able to understand these different types of formula by solving numericals. Suppose what is the first example? 49 gram of H2SO4 is dissolved in 1 liter solution. Calculate formality. Means here 49 gram of H2SO4 is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Calculate formality. So what is molar mass of H2SO4? Molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram per mole. Then we used a formula for formality. What is the formula for formality? Formality means mass of a solute divided by molar mass into volume. So what is the mass of a solute? That is a 49. This is the mass of a H2SO4, 49 gram, divided by molar mass. What is the molar mass of H2SO4? 98 into 1. 1 means it is a volume of solution in liters. So when we calculate this, we get a 0.5 molar. Okay. Now this is a 0.5 formal. So this is the formality of the solution. Then we solve another example. 106 gram of Na2CO3 is dissolved in 3 liter solution. Find formality. 106 gram of Na2CO3 is dissolved in 3-liter solution. Find formality. Here, what is the molar mass of Na2CO3? It is a 106 gram per mole. As we know that formula for formality, that is mass of solute divided by molar mass into volume of solution in liter. Mass of a solute divided by molar mass into volume of solution in liter. What is a mass of a solute? That is 106 gram. What is a molar mass? 106. And what is the volume? 3 liter. Here this is a 3. So when we calculate this, we get here 1 by 3. Like suppose we 106 divided by 106 means it is a 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 means 0.33 formal. So this is a formality. Now 1 mole of calcium chloride is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. What is its formality? Means here mole is given. As we know the formula for formality in case of moles, N upon V. N upon V. What is N? N means moles. This is a N. And what is a V? Volume of solution in liter. N upon V. So this is a formula of formality in case of moles. So here mole is given. That's why we use this mole term here and solution volume here. So 1 by 1, there is a 1 formula. Now we solve next problem. 1 mole of KCl is dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Find formality. What is a 1 mole? That is a N. And what is 500 ml? This is a volume. N by V. N by V. So but here volume is given in a ml, and we have to convert this volume into liter. So 500 ml means 0.5 liter. So N by V. V means volume in liter. N means number of moles, N 1, number of moles 1, and volume of solution in liter is 0.5. So we convert 500 ml into 0.5 liter. So 1 upon 0.5, that means 2 formula. In this way we can solve these different examples. So finally we understand here, for non-electrolytes formality is equal to molarity. It is same as molarity. And for electrolytes this concept differ, but numerically value often same as molarity. Means this is a conceptual difference between the molarity and formality. Formality generally used for ionic compound. Okay, if this video help you to understand this concept, then like, share and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lessons. Thanks for watching. Thank you.